Vanakkam. Namaskaram. Everybody is aware that the prelims examinations for the civil services is starting on the 25th of May, barely a few days from now. And many of our students from the Chinmaya Academy would be eagerly looking forward to appearing the examination and acing it. Let me wish them all the very best, and I'm quite sure they would do very well. I take this opportunity to also wish all students from Tamil Nadu who would be appearing for this examination and would be very eagerly waiting for the same. I think a word of advice at this juncture is very necessary. You would have all prepared for the last 1 year, spent a lot of your time and energy in expectation of this particular day, 25th of May, when you will be appearing in the examination. But please note that what will be available to you is only 2 hours of time to complete the examination. So in my view, 2 things are essential for you to be able to achieve the maximum result. 1 is calmness and 2 is concentration. You should be calm to ensure that you don't get distracted, you don't get agitated, but are able to attend each question on merits. And concentration is necessary to ensure that you come up with the right answer. Let me wish you all the very best for this examination.
Dear aspirants to the civil services examination, you are going to face the prelims on the 25th of this month. I wish you all the very best right now. What I want you to remember is that you should have confidence, absolute confidence, unstinted confidence in your capabilities. You are capable. If you think that you are capable, you will definitely do it. But if you think maybe I will do it better, you will not do it better. That word maybe should never be in your dictionary. Throw it out. From your experience in the past, wherever you studied, wherever you did, college, academy, this, that, it was an experience. Today you are going to experiment, and tomorrow is going to be the expectation, which I hope as a former civil servant, you will definitely do exceedingly well and bring reputation to the state, to India, and to your own self. God bless you.
I am Dr. C.K. Garyali, a retired civil servant belonging to 1972 batch of Indian Administrative Service. I am closely connected with Chinmaya Academy for Civil Services and have been meeting lot of aspirants who come there for mock interviews. I understand from all over India, from all over our country, lakhs of aspirants are preparing and going to sit for the preliminary exam on 25th of May. I wish all of you great success. I wish you all of you good luck. I hope you will concentrate fully on the exam, on the preparation, and while you are writing the exam, you will do it with unwavering mind, focus on the questions and try to complete the question paper. Please don't feel scared, don't feel nervous because something you don't know. Slowly and steadily complete the question paper. It will be good. I am very sure with your hard work you will do well. All the best.
Dear aspirants from Chinmaya Academy for Civil Service and the aspirant community at large, Namaste to all of you. Welcome to this short session. So I am speaking to you in the context of the exam on Sunday next 25th. It is going to be a very important day for you. There's a lot of excitement, lot of expectation, and a little bit of stress also, I guess. I just have a couple of important things to tell you about the exam. No, exam is not only a challenge as far as knowledge is concerned, it is also a challenge equally about strategy. You're not fighting with the questions, you're managing them. There are some common pitfalls you must avoid. Firstly, what you must do is avoid the sense of perfection. Not possible to answer everything perfectly, not expected also. What you must do first is spend a couple of minutes looking at the questions, identify the easy question, low-hanging fruit, so to say, solve them. Second, don't spend disproportionate amounts of time on questions which appear difficult. You will not have time for other questions which are easy. You will have a sense of regret later on. Third, you must not get emotionally attached to a question, wanting to take on the question and somehow solve it. It's not practical, not wise. Don't do that. These are some common pitfalls you must avoid. So make sure you don't get worked up about the results. Don't think about the outcome all the time. Think about the process. Focus on the questions. Focus on the exam. Focus on time management. Focus on strategy. Focus on solving as many questions right as possible, not as many questions. So define your risk-taking capacity. Make sure you don't make wild guesses. Make intelligent guesses by elimination, wherever to the extent you are comfortable. So with these words, I convey to you my best wishes for the exam. It should be a happy process. Take it on cheerfully, and then look at it as an opportunity, as a learning. Don't worry about the outcome. And then my best wishes with you for your career moving forward. Thank you.
I, on behalf of the Chinmaya Academy for Civil Services, I wish all the aspiring candidates and the students who are going to be appearing for the exams on the May 25th onwards. We wish you all the best, the very best, and focus on the exams, do well, and I'm sure you all will come out with flying colors. This is also to wish all the other students as well, everyone who are preparing and aspiring to do well and do very well. Remember that in the exam hall, those 2 hours or 2.5 hours is very critical. You need to be focused. You need to be with a calm mind, think clearly, choose your answers and choose your thought processes very carefully. Prioritize your questions and answers, and time management is extremely critical. So manage your times. Do not get stuck on one particular question for a long time, and then you will rush through the others. So make sure that your time management is extremely balanced, and you give adequate time and balanced time to each of the questions and answer them with a clear head, clear focus, and you will do extremely well. Thank you.